AG Labs, my name is Ben. Good morning, hello, welcome to the Micro Soldering Show. On this beautiful Saturday in the morning, I just want to start with you with an iPhone 7, which was mailed in by another customer because he was to an audio IC repair before at another shop, and after he got the device back, he had no IMEI, no SIM, no signal, and because the other shop said, no, we don't repair this because that was not our fault, he mailed the device in here, and now I just want to have a look how it looks like. I didn't disassemble the phone until now. Before, I want to show you something which I did yesterday in the evening. This is an iPhone X A11 CPU, and I separated the RAM and took out the CPU. So this will be a double sandwich reball after I have finished. I have to reball the CPU. Just took it out, so I have to reball the CPU side, and after that I have to get on the RAM. Okay, you see that? So I think you can see I have to reball the CPU side. No problem, I will get that later. But at first I want to start with you by this iPhone 7, which was mailed in by customer. Okay. Yeah, and Corona times are getting harder and harder in Germany here too. So the world says that Europe is now the center of the epidemic, of the pandemic, like ever. And yeah, day for day we get more dead people and more sick people, ill people who are who have the coronavirus. And for me, okay, I just have to answer one question here. Okay, I just had to answer a question. So, and now we can go on. Yeah, the coronavirus is a big thing here in Germany, and a lot of people are already having it now. And I think for the whole world it's a big thing. I'm really happy that we can work here at the moment, but perhaps next week the government will do a complete lockdown, and then we have to close the shop. So could be, if this will be the case, I will start finishing my wellness room at home with sauna and Kneipe and things like that, just for relax. And I pray for all the people who are sick because of the coronavirus, and I pray to God that that we will survive this, because it's the biggest thing which has ever happened on the world, I think. and for me it's corresponding to a war or things like that. I know that touching in the face is not a good thing at the moment. But I think it comes like it should come. So if God wants me to see sick, it will be like that. So now we take out the SIM tray. Okay, and you see nothing, and you see that somebody already worked on that. Here, the sticker, and let's see under the microscope. Okay, what about that here? That for me, why do we have flux here? And why we only have one jumper here? Okay, so the audio IC is not our work, so if we do that work, it looks different. It looks really different. But I can't take out the audio IC now because this is a baseband repair and non-audio IC repair. I just don't understand why I see flux everywhere. Flux everywhere. So that's not the way I like to see work. Not good, not good. So we just start by getting the baseband done. So if we have a prior repair attempt with an audio IC, it's pretty easy to fix. Because we know that somebody already worked on the board, and after the work on the board we had the problem with the signal and with the SIM recognition. So it is reliable to the audio IC repair, and in that case we just have to reball the baseband CPU. So we take out the shield on the front. Okay. And after that we can start right away with removing the underfull around the baseband. The baseband CPU. The baseband CPU is not replaceable. So we have to take it out, reball it and get it in again. Taking out the underfull here, gently. Gently, don't scrape too deep. Don't do any damages at the PCB. And clean the underfull. Okay, after we did that, we just take some more heat. And we take out the baseband CPU. And done. And you can see baseband is taken out, and only some NC are gone. So that's pretty okay. Now we clean the board by just using some flux. And we take some solder paste. gently. It's always important that you really work gently. Brush. Cleaning one time. After that, taking the hot air. And using the Kianli, what's that, 007, 009, I don't know, clue, removing tool. And here we need some more solder to get it clean much more easy. Okay, and this looks great. Now we just use one more time the wick and then the brush, and then we are done with cleaning the board without using preheat in this case. Back in the days I used preheat for everything I did. Today I use it only in some cases. I don't know why. It just came like that over the time. So it's more easy to work with preheat, but if you know to do without, it's okay too, and you prevent heat damages. So both arts of work have have their advantages. Okay, done. Now I just use a wipe. And you see that? It's just a really clean work, I think. And now we just take the baseband CPU, get it into the board holder. Some flux, wick, solder paste, and no pressure, just gently cleaning the chip. Done. Control if everything is okay. If we see some service lust, we take a little bit of UV to seal that. Okay, light and done. Okay, and we can do the rebore. Okay, just some paste. Where are my tools here? Okay. And let's see how to rebore this baseband CPU. And I think we are done. Here I see some bolts which won't stick to the bottom, but we wait a short time and have a look. After that we do a reflow and it's fine, I think. See that? See that? Just some bolts which doesn't want to stick to the bottom. But we can solve that issue. Sometimes it's like that. Do I have the right stencil? Yes, that's okay. But perhaps, and I think the problem is perhaps. Wait. Until it's cooled down. So, and I think we clean one time. Great. And now we just get it on here again. Yeah. I think I had the IC in the wrong way, because normally that's just a thing solved within a minute. And now we are done. I had the stencil in the wrong way on the IC. So, and now this looks normal, okay? Like it should look. Some flux on it, sorry people for that. Sometimes it's crazy. Done. You see here, perfect reball. And now we just solder that pretty baseband CPU down to the board. Just want to do one picture After that, we can go straight away by placing the chip down to the board. Board looks good. We have flux directly on the chip, so we don't need to get flux onto the board. And wait until the flux melts. And you see, we are done. Just a little bit more flux in here. Done. Wait a second. After cooling down, take some contact cleaner, clean it. Okay. And now, let's see if we are back to life again or not. I put it in like that. I will renew the glue sticker later, cleaning the whole board and things like that, getting the EMI shield back soldered down. But at first, I just want to see if our IMEI is back. So I don't connect any antenna wires. That's all not needed for what I'm doing, because I just want to show you that we have IMEI again. IMEI. So need to see if I have a code. Okay, they write there is no code. So let's see. Don't know if there is any private picture in the background. That's why I'm just waiting here. And okay, I have to, it's a clean device, so now I just have to do an update, and after the update the phone will work fine again. So I don't think that I need to show that to you within this video, because that's just a lot of time which is needed for that now. So I have to get the phone connected to iTunes, and then I just do an update. After the update is done, I will check if the phone has an IMEI again, and if the IMEI is back again, and I'm pretty sure it will be in that way, I will just give you feedback. So I do a cut at this point, and we will end up. Okay, if you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at the Board Level Repair School Germany. And if you are working at the repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can just join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. I would be happy to see you there, but please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. And by the way, buy the amazing ICC Pro tool, which every technician in the whole world needs, in my opinion. Okay, I'm out. We see us with the next one. Boom! Back to life again. Stay healthy. Just a little proof for you. So, because I ended the video up without showing you the results. So I did the update, and now the phone has IMEI again, and I can use it again in the full way. Okay, now I'm out. We'll see you with the next one. Stay healthy. Boom! Back to life again.